You want the best fishing kayak for your needs, but there are so many types: inflatable types, sit on top versus sit-in kayaks, pedal kayaks, and more. If you're not sure what kind you want to, read our guide for more info. We've collected a list of the best budget models, the most high-tech kinds, and the ones that combine the most sought after, by you, features. So, read our guide with the best fishing kayaks and get on the water. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 fishing kayaks in the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Intex Excursion Pro Kayak Series. For fishing in shallow waters that helps you unwind at the end of the week, consider checking out Intex's tandem fishing kayak. Built from the tough laminate PVC with polyester core, it's designed to serve you and your friends' fishing needs with zero compromises. The construction of this inflatable fishing kayak is smart. The seat boosters are removable, back and footrests are adjustable, and the drain plugs are well integrated into the kayak. The directional skeg, high output pump, and a pressure gauge are there too. Another perk of this watercraft is the versatile mounting bracket that can be used for attaching GPS systems, swivel fishing rod holders, and fish finders. There's a storage space in bow and stern that features stainless steel D-rings, the exact reason why you can catch big fish and have enough room left for resting your feet. And speaking of storage, deflate and easily pack this kayak away during the winter. Number 2. Lifetime Tamarack Fishing Kayak. Lifetime Tamarack Angler 100 Fishing Kayak is your best bet if you're not willing to spend a fortune on a piece of water equipment. The no-frills characteristics of the vessel makes it a simple yet reliable companion for every fishing trip you take. Catch fish without breaking the bank. Tamarack has a 10 feet length that hits the sweet spot of being spacious yet still easy to maneuver. Add the 52 pounds of weight to the mix, and you've got yourself a relatively lightweight boat that allows you to transport it on your own. You can also check off 2 mount rod holders, chine rails, and adjustable footrest, all of which are designed to make your fishing session as productive as possible. And, if you're not convinced as to whether Tamarack is worth the price, Lifetime offers a 5-year limited warranty, not that you'll need it, but just in case. Number 3. Pelican Sentinel 100X Angler Fishing Kayak. For an enjoyable ride in a relaxing environment, look no further than the Pelican Sentinel Fishing Kayak. Designed for both calm and slow bodies of water, it provides excellent stability and tracking that allows long-distance paddling. The multi-chine flat bottom that keeps the kayak stable at all times is the one to thank for that. The under 10 feet length along with the 44 pounds of weight means you won't have any issues transporting and storing the kayak without the help of others. This is particularly important for those who prefer fishing in solitude. With molded carrying handles, accessory eyelets, paddle holders, and rod tie downs, you're guaranteed to have all you need for a productive day out in the open water. Things we like. Comes with ExoPack, Pelican's removable storage compartment. The low weight makes it easy to transport the vessel. Things we don't like. The company's customer service isn't great. Number 4. Perception Outlaw 11.5 Fishing Kayak. Designed for beginners and skilled paddlers alike, the Perception Flesh Fishing Kayak is a great watercraft for leisurely trips in the countryside. Featuring a 10-inch storage hatch and molded-in rod holders, it takes care of your fishing needs and frees up your mind for wandering. At 325 pounds of weight capacity, the vessel allows you to bring not only dozens of pounds worth of fishing equipment but also a furry friend. And who doesn't love a good company? The boat is further equipped with dual tracking channels that help to keep it on course. With a relatively short length of under 10 feet, you're sure to enjoy the maneuverability of this kayak. Make use of the front and back handles to transport the watercraft from your car to the lake and you're bound to want to make fishing a weekly event. The drain plug enables quick and easy draining and cleaning. Number 5. Perception Pescador Pro 12 Fishing Kayak. This value of this mid-priced fishing kayak by Perception rests on the sweet spot of its size, comfort and features. At 12 feet, this Pro Pescador weighs the same as its smaller version while holding more cargo. There's upright rod storage and a large rear and front storage for tackle, cooler, and bulky gear. There's also a quickly adjustable footrest and a removable and very supportive seat to accommodate paddlers of all shapes and sizes. Beginner anglers as well as intermediate ones should take a closer look at this sit-on-top boat for its price and performance potential. Things we like. It has a roto-molded construction that features protection from harsh UV rays and abrasion. The built-in buoyancy makes the kayak stable and safe. It's very maneuverable. Things we don't like. The footrests have the tendency to slip. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.